Hello, folks in the TV room. David Bradley here. So I have in front of me an Amiga 500 power supply. It has a power switch. Looks like the 128 one, but it has a power switch. It does. That's one of the ways you can tell. Now, does it say on the back what it's for? Sort of. It says power supply P, part number 312503-1, and then it says PSM-500. Input 117 volts, 60 hertz. Output 5 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts, negative 12 volts. Power supply is intended for installation in a protected environment. Caution, indoor use only. Shock hazard, do not open. Well, I already had it open. Alright, I'm going to try and do something here. Here. Ow. Here's another thing I should get out of here. It's a keyboard or something. And here are some discs. What's on them? I don't know. Are they good? I don't know. Oh, another disc. Oh, no. And here is a cost-reduced VIC-20 board. VIC-20 had a bad 6560, seems to be okay, otherwise keyboard missing. Oh, keyboard missing, Commodore key broken, otherwise keyboard works. Case for yellow. Oh yeah, I figure this is one that I took outside. I think it is. I think it is. Oh, wait a second. I can't test this here. Well, anyway, this is going to go away. I think I put the case outside. What I'm really trying to do here, if I can, and I think I can. Oh yeah. There's this funky thing that goes with the keyboard on an Amiga 500. I forget which. This is the board from the Amiga 500. I forget if I have done this. Where I have, I'm not sure if this one has the fuse or it doesn't, but I should be able to find out. I should be able to. So I'll plug this carefully into the power connector. Okay. Now I need a plug. And I think this will do. So, monitor on. Press the button on the front of the monitor so it will work with the 500. And flip it. So, oh. Wait just a second. If you do not connect the video, you will surely get no video. Let's try that again. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, now here's the thing, of course. Workbench 1.3. I don't really, well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm thinking I really don't want to mark this thing up with something extensive. But there's a nice flat thing. I will put a check mark. And then I know when I know that this is working. Now, I have much more testing to do. Well, I know. No, sorry, I don't know if it works. I know it comes up and asks for Workbench. Do I know much else? No, not really. But I will turn this off. Turn this off. Pull this out. Pull this out. here is the funky little board that goes with the keyboard. This is definitely a candidate for some sort of a bag or an envelope or something. But I don't think I have anything quite that big right here. I don't think I do. So, but it's got to be out of here. It's got to clear, and it's also got all the parts here. So I do need to do more testing on this. I do, but I gotta get it out of here. So here, there's the upper shielding, and the lower shield. Oh, there's that thing. Yeah, this really could use a big envelope. And this thing here, the shielding, definitely there's been water infiltration. Oh well. So I think this is kind of a two-step process to find a good place. I think downstairs maybe I have some great big envelopes so I can put that whole thing in so as I will not lose anything. That is the plan. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So here is the good power supply. This too, this could use some time in the sun, but it's not going to happen. Anyway, alright. Well, you know what? Normally I do longer videos. I'm really not feeling good. So I do a few minutes. Ugh. That's it. That's all. But I am making some progress. The big thing is going to be, I do want to take and swap that monitor out, but that, well, I think I do. But see, that monitor, right now there's a printer on the top. And it sits there oh so nicely. Why? Because the 1701 and the 1702 are flat and perfect and glorious. Great to stack things on. The monitor that I think I'm going to put there, which is down on the floor here, which is 1084, I think it's 1084, it's not so flat. So that means maybe the printer can't sit there. And do I use the printer much? No, not really, but you never know, you know. You never know, you know. There's a disc with testing stuff that it really doesn't do much on the screen, but supposedly it prints its results, but I've never seen it work. And I would like to see it work. You know. Anyway. Making progress. I am. Mostly what's right now on the floor is all of my diagnostic stuff, so I gotta do better at that. But there's still lots of stuff on the desk that just can't be here. So I'm going to find a safe place for the bits of this Amiga 500 and this power supply, and carry on. One step at a time. Ugh. Maybe it's time to go. Well, don't want to gross you up, but it's probably time to head to the bathroom and then go back to sleep. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.